Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to optimize your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, to let you know, keywords are the backbone of SEO, but is not the whole story. Make sure that the way you have structured your Shopify can prominently showcase your keywords. This will facilitate a seamless transfer from someone's search to your site, confirming that you have just what they need on your page. Ensure that your categories are neat and simplified. You want your SEO keywords to shine, so give them space to do so. Paid advertising or PPC marketing is where advertisers pay for ads based on the number of clicks. To get started, identify the platforms you want to advertise on and the audiences you want to target. Come up with a list of SEO keywords that are relevant to your niche and include them in your PPC package. Most entrepreneurs' go to platforms for paid advertising are Google and Facebook ads. After paid advertising, another is influencer marketing. It is one of the most useful tactics for social media marketing. Most of the heavy lifting here is in trying to find the right personality to market your brand. There are several steps you should take before you can be sure that the influencer is a good fit for your company. Engage with them and find out what message you want to communicate to your audience. Automated emails are also a great way to connect with people. These are emails marketers use to send notifications to customers for things like upcoming promotions, new products, or just a friendly reminder that their free trial is up. Now, another thing is to optimize your Shopify store. You will want to improve product images. This can be done by using a tool like Photoshop or GIMP to improve the quality of the image. Customers want to imagine your product as their own, so help them in their imaginary journey by providing crisp. Another way is by customer reviews and testimonials. They are a great way to boost your Shopify store's optimization. Ultimately, people just want to know how your product can solve an issue they are experiencing. So that's how you can optimize your Shopify store. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.